To fix a GE microwave that won't turn on, start by ensuring it's receiving power from the outlet. Check the circuit breaker on the microwave's power supply line to confirm it hasn't tripped. Test the outlet by plugging in a different appliance, such as a lamp, or use a voltmeter to verify its functionality. If there's no power, consult a professional for assistance. Next, check the fuse by disconnecting the appliance from the power supply to avoid electrocution. Remove the top front panel to access the fuse compartment. Then take out the plastic casing and disconnect the wires. If the fuse is blown or tests negative for continuity, replace it with a new one. Once the replacement is made, secure everything in place before reconnecting the microwave to the power supply. By following these steps, fixing a non-functional GE microwave can be a relatively simple process.